Hey my friends! In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. Okay? First, click on the Start. Click on the account. Now click on Change Account Settings. Here you can see the Microsoft account signed in. Let me show you how you can remove it. Here under Microsoft account, click on Sign in with a local account instead. This message will pop up. Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Click on Next. Here enter your Microsoft account password. Now here you can enter your password, but if you feel that you don't want, just leave it. Click Next. Click on Sign Out and Finish. Your computer will sign out. Now click on Start. Click on the account. Done. Now here you can see the account is no longer on the computer. So, please don't forget to subscribe and even leave a comment if you have any issue. Have a nice time.